AlphaVit Shilajit Gummies are marketed as a convenient supplement that claims to boost energy, support stamina, improve focus, and promote overall wellness using Shilajit. The marketing can make the results sound impressive, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, Shilajit is a natural substance that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and some early research suggests it may have potential health benefits. However, the evidence is still limited, and gummies are not a substitute for medical treatment. What it does well: convenient to take. The gummy format is easier and more enjoyable for many people than capsules or powders. May provide nutritional support. Depending on the formulation, it may contain minerals and compounds naturally found in Shilajit. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle supplement. No Shilajit product can guarantee dramatic increases in energy, testosterone, or physical performance. Evidence is still limited. While some studies are promising, more high-quality human research is needed to confirm many of the advertised benefits. Quality matters. The purity and sourcing of Shilajit can vary between products, making third-party testing important. So, should you buy AlphaVit Shilajit Gummies? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for general wellness support. If you're interested in trying Shilajit as part of a healthy lifestyle, they may be worth considering. But don't expect dramatic changes based solely on the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.